Now I'm gonna make the California roll with salmon, avocado, and cream cheese. I like to use cream cheese. So for the uramaki, you have to use not more than 100 grams of the rice. Less than 100 grams you can use. Okay. Don't mix too much rice because it will be a very chewy, and in the eating time it cannot fluffy, you know. So I'll make the California dragon, not only California. I'll put neta of the salmons. Let's see, okay. Normally here is I think a 90 gram rice, yeah. Yeah, 90 to 100 grams rice. And I put a little bit difference. You can see it here. This is rice from here. I put a little bit rice here this side, and all the rice in the noodle. Okay. Now time to make the always one finger. This is because it's a fusion sushi, so we have to make as per the demand of the customers. Now I'll use the salmons. Okay, let's roll, okay? Not press too much, otherwise the rice will be a chewy, and it cannot be, when eating time, it cannot be a very fluffy. You can put a little bit here to make beautiful. Finally, we make the salmon avocado, California salmon avocado. For the secure of the salmons. Now I'll cut in the 9 pieces. Yeah, normally Japanese don't like to eat 4 pieces. They don't like the 4 pieces because the 4 means the number 4 is the, I don't know, I'll search in the Google, but number 4 is the symbol of the death, so they don't use the 4. So I'll cut 9 pieces. 1, this is the tobiko. I'll put the tobiko in the top. This is the California salmon roll, okay. I'm putting like a salmon, cream cheese, avocado,